We all know today most school mix genders in classes, but in certain school they segregate genders in the distribution of students into classes. There are also single-sex schools. Usually, these single-sex schools will have some problems when facing the real world out there. Mixed genders in one class are the best solution to make learning method more effective and efficient. So today, I would like to persuade you to consider boys and girls be taught in the same classroom. I believe and confident that by mixing both gender in the class will bring out the best from each of them. There are many reasons to consider mixed genders instead of single sex in the classroom. One of the reasons is co-educational environment bridge the equality gap. Another reason is genders are not kept separate from one another in society. Besides, by mixing both girls and boys in the same classroom, there is more diversity in the classroom. Some of us may be skeptical of the gender in the same classroom because it can create distraction in the class. But you will be amazed to know that the gender mix in the same classroom makes co-educational environment bridge the equality gap. Let's start with our first main reason, which is co-educational environment bridge the equality gap. Institutions which practice this philosophy treat their students equally with no preference to gender. That means assignments are given based on need instead of preconceived societal notion. By applying this, it will ensure more knowledge, a better economic environment, and improve well-being for the future generation. This then leads to equal educational opportunities, which is providing the same resources, opportunities, and treatment for its students. Things have changed, and in my opinion, and I strongly think that it was definitely for better. Another reason you might agree with the gender mix in the same classroom is it can prepare students for the real world because now we live in society where genders are not kept separate from one another. Nowadays, we live in a society where genders are not kept separate from one another. Classroom environment is a place where students learn what life will be like once they enter the real world. If you segregate classroom by gender, then there is the creation of unrealistic expectation for life afterward. This will lead to the reduce of the opportunities among them to enhance communication skills. The exposure to a melting pot of cultures, identities, and genders allows a student to explore outside their personal skills and comfort zones. Both boys and girls have different style of thinking method. Next, some of you may think that mixed gender classroom will narrow the mind of the students. I will now prove to you that a mixed gender in classroom can give more diversity in classroom. by mixing both gender in the classroom, there is more diversity in the classroom. Student personal progress and grades are typically better having access to a variety of perspective and experience creates more opportunities, reduce the mental effort required to combat stereotypes, and improve the overall attitude of the institution. Students of the opposite sex are able to make the class in the classroom can gain more comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. In addition, it also can teach students how to use their own strength and point of view to contribute in a diverse working environment. I hope I have convinced you to consider mixed gender classroom are better than single sex classroom due to several reasons. It is included co-educational environment bridge the equality gap. Genders are not kept separate from one another in society, and there is more diversity in the classroom. Now, you can see the benefit of mixed genders classroom in today's education system. In a nutshell, both boys and girls need to be educated in the same classroom. By mixing them in the same class, it will build them to be a better people and lead them to a better future. Remember, education is not just about success in the examination, but it is knowledge that to be applied in daily life. So that's all from me. Thank you.